Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of winstonsydney.com. So winstonsydney.com is basically an online shopping platform that offers a wide variety of products. It provides the clothing and even shoes and different kind of accessories for both men and women. And as you can see there is a very high quality pictures uploaded with a really sound quality products. But now let's dive deeper and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see on the top, they claim that they have a 4.8 out of 5 rating based on 2000 reviews. But if I try to look for the reviews, you never know where it exists. So there is a major red flag about the authenticity of their reviews. And on the other hand, they claim that this is an Australian based platform, but once I tried to search for it on Google, I wasn't find any of the evidence about their physical existence anywhere in Australia and not even in the entire world, which is also a big red flag. And another thing that raises concerns about their originality, as you can see, like they have claimed the Australian company, but once I tried to search for the IP address of their domain name, I got to know that even their IP address is not an Australian based. So after all, now let's find out the reviews on Scam Advisor website. As you can see, the winstonsydney.com has 32 out of 100 trust score, which is basically a very low score, and they have collected that and calculated the trust score based on the 40 different data points such as location of the server and rating given on the store. So in conclusion, I would say like this could be a scam, but not necessarily. So I would say like you should not risk buying from this platform until and unless you find some of the valid evidence, just like any of your friend might have bought from this website. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.